Now that we have our melodies, our 808 hi-hat pattern down, it's time to lay down our percussive element. I'm gonna grab a rim shot from my 100 kit and drag and drop the sample onto the arrangement window. You can also import your snare into the sampler and draw a MIDI pattern, but the reason why I drag and drop the sample is because when you do this on GarageBand iOS, I feel like the sample cuts through the mix and hits way harder as opposed to putting it in sampler. So if it's a simple percussive element that hits on the downbeat, I like to drag and drop. If it requires a more complex pattern such as the hi-hats or snare rolls, I like to draw the pattern in with MIDI. Once we have the snare / rim shot down, I'm gonna add another percussion to add to the rhythm. Having this offbeat pattern adds to the beat and makes it more bouncy. There you have it. Now that we have the foundation for our beat, it's time to mix it and arrange them, which I'll show you how to do in the next video. See you there.